Hello everyone, Instagram has just introduced a new feature called Leave a Note. So if you go to the Instagram app and open it, whether on Android or iPhone, and go to the chat section, then you will see at the top that Leave a Note option is coming here. Now if you don't see Leave a Note option here, then you can go to the App Store or the Play Store and update your Instagram app. After updating the app also, if you are unable to see the Leave a Note option, that means it is not available at your location right now, but it will be available. Keep updating your app from time to time. Okay, so Leave a Note is just like a kind of announcement that you can make with your friends, close friends, or the followers whom you follow back. Okay, so whenever you leave a note, as you can see, there are three notes coming from my friends. So whenever you leave a note, there won't your friends or followers won't be notified about it. Okay, so they will be able to see it only when they will come to the chat section, and at the top they will be able to see the notes. Okay, so leave a note, this option will be coming. You can go and click here. You can see the plus sign. Simply tap on this one and share what's in the mind. So you can write good morning or anything that you like. Okay, and then you can click on followers you follow back, or simply click on close friends. Okay, so once you do this, you can click on the share button at the top right corner, and it will be shared with your friends. Okay, now you can see good morning is coming. So now all of my close friends, whenever they will go to the Instagram and tap on the chat section, they will be able to see the notes as good morning. Okay, so this is a simple feature that Instagram has introduced. You can make use of it. Thank you for watching the video. Please like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.